functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass Altitude in white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, Altitude Special Edition, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjp.com, stock number D7155.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.